exalted said, he taught Adam all the names of everything. Ch 2:31 Quran. Teaching Adam. Almighty Allah granted Adam the power to know the natures of all things and to summarize them by names, that is a bird, that is a star, that is a tree, etc. Allah implanted in Adam an insatiable need for and love of knowledge and a desire to bequeath knowledge to his children. This was the reason for his creation and the secret of his glorification. After Adam had learned the names of all things, along with their properties and uses, Allah presented them to the angels and said, "Tell me the names of these if you are truthful." Ch 2:31 Quran. The angels admitted their inability.